Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying account essentials. Confirm email and two-step authentication because restricted flags often come from incomplete verification. Once done, check Roblox server status and your home router. Some ISPs block ports used by the app. Then clear browser cache and cookies or switch to the official Roblox client. This resets corrupt session tokens. Make sure to log out completely, then log in again to force fresh authentication. These steps remove most simple access restrictions quickly and safely. Next, you dive into account settings because many restrictions arise from privacy or parental control configurations. Open privacy and security, adjust who can join you, who can chat, and turn off overly strict filters temporarily to test access. If a parent account or PIN is linked, request temporary lift or update the PIN correctly. Also check your device-level permissions for Roblox. Missing network, storage, or microphone permissions can trigger errors. Once adjusted, restart the app so changes propagate and reevaluate access. Finally, you address enforcement and edge case fixes. Review any ban notices or enforcement details in your account page because official restrictions require appeals. If regional blocks are suspected, test with a trusted VPN briefly to isolate the issue. Remember platform terms before relying on VPN long-term. If problems persist, collect evidence. Account ID, exact timestamps, screenshots, and error messages, then contact Roblox support. One troubleshooting tip: rinse cache and try a different network after each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.